how long does Nissan Rogue last? This is a very hard question to answer because it depends on what you understand by last. Nissan Rogue is a very reliable car overall, and its engine and its body, they will last like 250, 300,000 miles without major problems. But it has the transmission that is CVT, and to get this car to 200,000 miles, you will probably need to replace the CVT at about 120, 130,000 miles, and it's quite expensive. The problem is that it's quite expensive. Um, everything is everything is going to break in this CVT, starting with the torque converter and valve body and everything, just everything. It's not that bad if you compare it with other CVTs, but it's not really durable. So if you are not going to repair the CVT or replace it, then your Nissan Rogue will last only 120,000 miles. But if you replace it with the new one, which costs just insane money, it will last another 120,000 miles. Um, this is the positive scenario, and if you don't service this CVT, if you don't change the fluids, it will probably fail much sooner than that. I actually recommend changing these fluids about every 25,000 miles. You will change this if you change the fluid in transmission every 25k miles. You will probably let it live a little bit longer. That's what you need to know about the durability of the Nissan Rogue. Other than that, there are no problems. The engines are good, the bodies don't rust, and overall electronics doesn't create a lot of problems. Though it can, but it doesn't create common problems, let's say.